Okay, good evening everyone. So, mag-video record lang ko everyone para at least may i-watch kayo na video clip during our discussion. This pre-final. Okay, let's start. So today everyone, meron po tayong learning goals, which is we need to define what is physical activity, warm-up exercise, and physical exercises. Next, identify the benefits of doing exercise. Next, perform any physical activities or exercise. Next, so let's start. So, napay nakabutang ni Ma'am Gwen nga pangalan diri. So, physical activity. So, first, things to consider in selecting a physical activity. So, meron po tayong madaming letters dito na nakalagay. So, pili lang kayo everyone. So, choose something you enjoy and is readily available. Next, choose more than one type of exercise. C. Vary the intensity of your physical activity. Next, choose physical activities that address all aspects of fitness. So, every exercise dapat everyone, if maganda kayo ng exercise, so dapat be ready. Next is dapat may vision and mission kayo. So, vision ninyo is to become physically fit or mag-lose ng weight or mag-gain ng weight. Next, ang mission nyo naman is paano siya i-undergo ang process. Kasi nga, hindi everyday na you are physically fit to conduct an exercise. So, dapat meron ding araw na mag-relax kayo, mag-unwind to calm down your muscles. So, ganon. Next, enjoy a class or a social sports team. So, next, choose physical activity options that don't depend on good weather. Next is choose physical activity options that can become part of your routine. So, ito everyone is I'm guessing, no? So, naka-join na kayo ng mga social sports or any kind of mga activities that can enhance your physical attributes. Next is pag conducting naman ng exercise everyone or physical activity is hindi siya always nasa outside. You can conduct sa inside your houses, no? Masing lain ng weather, pero pwede ra mo mag-exercise sa inyong houses. Next is dapat kanang na may options if what you are doing para at least your muscles or your body is hindi siya mabigla. Next, choose a physical activity that accommodates any health problems. So there are so many exercises can improve or can enhance your health problems. So pwede kayong mag-asa yung mga doctors or you can watch sa mga YouTubes or Google if you want to enhance your health problems. Kung may mararamdaman kayo na mga sakit. Next is choose to do physical activity with a friend. So, mas better na magkanda kayo ng physical activity with a friend. Kasi nga, meron tayong mga learners na they can exercise if may kasama sila. And meron naman tayong mga learners na kaya na lang sila lang mag-isa. Next, decide if you need a personal trainer. So, for this one is reflect lang ito sa mga those students or those who are willing to conduct in the gym area. No, meron talagang yan mga proper way how to enhance your muscles or your bones and anything. No? So, please lang para hindi magkamali-mali ang form ng iyong body. So you are kung need nyo magpas personal trainer, go lang if may extra money kayo. Next is benefits of some physical activities. So madami ito, merong 5. The gym, walking, running, swimming, and dance. Next, warm up and cool down. So hindi na tayo mag-focus dito everyone kasi nga tawag nito, madami na during prelim pa lang is i-discuss na natin ditong warm up and cool down exercises. So dito tayo mag-focus sa dalawa, which is the types of warm up, to the dynamic warm up and the static stretching. So kayo na magbasa, i-discuss ko na lang or i-summary ko na lang para at least mas maintindihan nyo kung ano ang difference nitong dalawa. So when we say dynamic warm-up, everyone, this is a routine or a workout during or start of your workout. So sabi ko nung prelim, once your body is moving to one place to another, that is locomotor skills. Also, that considered a dynamic warm-up. For example, you are doing running. So running is a dynamic warm-up kasi nga you are moving your body to one place to another, no? Next is ang static stretching, is the end of your workout. So meaning every end sa inyong workout, you are required talaga to do the static stretching. Simple static stretching can reduce the risk sa muscle tearing or tawag natin na strain, no, ganun. So next, ang cool down is the very basic way to reduce na naman yung mga intense workouts na gikandak nyo sa 1 oras or sa 2 oras. So at least magkanda kayo ng warm up, ay cool down I mean, para at least yung mga muscles na ginamit nyo during exercise nyo is unti-unting mabalik sa form niya, para at least hindi din kayo magka-cause ng mga injuries. Next, ito ang ating gikandak sa ating quiz, yung last meeting. So types of physical exercise. So meron tayo diyang 4, which is the strength training or the strengthening, the stretching, balance exercise, or aerobic exercise. So kayo na magbasa everyone, at least may idea kayo kung anong iting gina-discuss. And last meeting ko pa to mga gipang kandak, gipang assign sa inyo, pero or gipost sa inyo ang teams na para at least may idea na kayo kung ano ting gagawin this recitation. So meron dyan mga examples, and yung mga ginawa nyo during last meeting is all of them is belong siya sa mga strengthening, sa stretching, sa aerobics, and sa balance, no? At least na differentiate nyo yung mga exercises regarding that one. So dirita sa step in stretching. So ito everyone is, di ba, before we start our discussion every meeting, di ba, nagapakandak muna ako ng simple stretching para at least lang man your body is ready to listen, or your body is ready this day sa ano mang ang bigay ko sa inyo ng mga activities or exercises. So this is the basic stretching, the proper way also to conduct stretching, no? Next, at yun lamang everyone. So I hope meron kayo na learn sa at least konting discussion lang natin. So disregard lang yung mga announcement dyan sa iba. Dito tayo mag-focus sa inyong task performance. Our task performance is dalawa na siya everyone, task performance and exam, which is 80% of your grade sa pre-finals. So ito po ang natawag natin na circuit training. So meron po tayong 10 stations dyan. So na-discuss ko na din yan last meeting, no? So ito is next week is I'm expecting that your body is ready to conduct this kind of task performance exam kasi nga medyo medyo pagpawisan talaga kayo nito kasi nga by station meron kayong gagawin na iba't ibang exercises. So please be ready sa inyong mga sarili, everyone. And this coming December 1, 2023 at STI Gym, I'm hoping na makakuha na tayo ng meron ng go signal na pwede na po pumunta sa school na allowed na po tayo pumunta doon. So I'm hoping that next week we will conduct this our TPN exam face to face. Okay? So please everyone, read lang sa aking mga PPT na gi-post sa Teams. Doon lang po lalabas ang ating recitation. I-post ko po sa ELMS po. So pakiansya na lang. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.